Now you make the crispiest hash browns ever. So we're gonna start skinning these. Next step, did I mention these are gonna be like McDonald's hash browns? Psych. So if you know anything, the starch in here tends to make them chewy. Like with French fries, if you're hand cutting them, we're gonna soak this in water and basically wash the starch out. While the potatoes are soaking out all that starch, we can shred up this onion. Woo. We just need to grate up some garlic. A little trick to get garlic paste. You're gonna use the back of your knife as you do this. Just sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. The abrasiveness of the salt will break it down. And you just smash it. Because we're trying to, I don't want chunks of garlic. If they're in there, I won't mind. It's close to Halloween. Keep Dracula a little bit, right? There you go. Kind of pasty. So I drained it out. Once I got all the water out of the bowl, I throw it into a side towel, kitchen towel. Put it in there, and then in the sink, I just kind of torqued it down to get all the water out. The more water you can get out, the crispier it's gonna be. If you leave too much water in there, one, they may not stay together, but if they do, they're not gonna be as crispy as they could be. Right now though, we are going to add our onions to this potato mixture, just potatoes. Put these on the stove in a dry pan. You're not gonna put any oil or anything in it. You're gonna cook this kind of through. You just wanna steam it, which isn't what you would normally do. But remember, I told you, we're making these kind of like McDonald's. Okay, so our potato mixture is nice and steamed. Now we're gonna take the garlic that we grated. That was like 3 or 4 cloves, 4 or 5, who's counting? Take some pepper, teaspoon of salt. Yep. The next step, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of flour to this mixture. Because if these potatoes don't want to crisp up, we're gonna force them. Now we're gonna mold these. Super easy if you have one of these. Nice little ring mold, AKA a circled cookie cutter. Something this big might not be in your house. If that's the case, you could always use a cup, the bottom of a cup. You just have to like make like a mass and just kind of punch them out and then peel the potatoes away and then you have a circle. But this works good. Oh, and also, I'll let you know why it's this big when we actually apply it to our end thing. So, I'm just gonna push these down. Reveal, look at that. We're gonna throw these in the freezer, and then once they're frozen, we'll fry them up. See you then. So fast forward. Our hash browns are frozen. We're gonna throw them in the fryer. Boom. More to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and hit the bell so you get all of our new videos. It definitely makes this.